Iwemie dene. Today's lesson. Agati enyoma. Agi emikere no legamani. Akeho moeni. Runde eba ubebo. Egbe no kere. Eba ono sunu wodao. Ijaji name. Emi no sunu vegena ya biomoni. Kebe nibunya. Each time your name is called out, a tiny piece of your identity is known. Names are given based on values, family structure, expectations, religious meanings, circumstances surrounding birth of a child, and so on. Enioge mavedo ikbiabihuo iweminokao. Edo names for male and female. Part 1. Imati tikwa. I didn't thrive to be wasted. Edogogo, day of joy. Ugiagbe, one that cannot be killed. Agbotai, it's a long world. Imariabe, I am not guilty. Osasenaga, God is worthy to be served. Agbogiamusoe, word, let me achieve my goals. Ehigiamusoe, my destiny is to achieve my goals. Osaretin, God is my strength. Adesuwa, in the midst of wealth. Omoregbe, child constitutes families. Omorogbe, child makes a family. Omosefe, child is greater than riches. Uwa, wealth. Ogbeide, family tree cannot fall. Ogbemudia, family tree stands. Efe, riches. Idaosa, I am listening to God. Omo ariagbon, when a child comes to the world. Imariagoma, I didn't spoil one's own. Egosa, God's time. Etionsa, God's power. Elogosa, it is not difficult for God. Igbinosa, I lean on God. Igbinidu, I lean on Idu. Igbinorene, I lean on the meticulous God. Egwavoin, full palace. Wala o waga wemina, nuware lelima bugana, wahia wesi. Please share this video so others can learn and do well to follow us. Thank you.